Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into the video. Born Pretty sent me some reflective glitter gel polishes to try out, and this is what it came in. The glitters are really nice and I got 6 bottles of the glitters. This is the famous Instagram reflective glitters that I've been seeing, and I'm excited to check it out to see if it's worth the hype. They also sent a base coat, top coat, matte top coat, and the super shine top coat as well. I'm going to be doing some swatching of the glitters. I will only be doing one layer of the polishes on camera and then the rest off camera. I want you all to see the first coat of the polishes and how it applies. So as you can see, the glitters are really nice and reflective as it says, but to me it's not that reflective as what you would see on Instagram, but in the bottles they are really nice. I applied the base coat and cured for 30 seconds off camera. Then I applied one layer of the polishes. The glitters were very sheer on the first layer and needed 3 layers to reach full opacity. If you'd like to purchase these glitters, I will have a link in the description. I'm using my phone light to show the reflective glitter effect. I really like how it looks, but to me the ones on Instagram looks way more reflective than this. Comment down below if you think the same or am I wrong. It's still beautiful though. Then these are the polishes in natural lighting. So on my nails I have on some dip powder. This is Revel Nail Flushed, which is a nudish pink color, and I'm going to be doing a glitter French with 4 of the colors. I applied a layer of the top coat and cured for 30 seconds. You can apply base coat gel if you'd like, but I wanted to apply the top coat. If you were using these gel polishes on your natural nails, you would have to apply the base coat gel first, not the top coat. So these are the gel polishes I'll be using today, so I'm just placing them on my nail palette for easier access, and I'll also be using my Makartt detail brush. So I did the pinky nail first and then I flash cured for 5 seconds. Then I did the ring nail and then flash cured for 5 seconds, and then the middle nail and flash cured. And then when I did the index nail, I cured the nails for 30 seconds. The gel polishes went on nicely. They are not grainy at all. It's very smooth to the touch. I really thought they would be grainy. However, they are very sheer and need 2 to 3 layers to reach full opacity. I did 2 full layers, and then on the 3rd layer I went in on areas that were looking very sheer. Some of the colors didn't even need a 3rd layer. Also, it's not as reflective as I'd hope it would be, but they are very nice. So I have nothing much to say, so I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. Regardless of the fact that these reflective glitters are a tad bit exaggerated on Instagram, you have to admit they are so gorgeous. I would definitely buy this if I didn't get it for free. When I was completed, I applied the top coat to seal in the design, and then I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil. So let me know what you guys think of these gel polishes and the design. If you'd like to purchase the polishes, it will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.